On our final day in Camp Hot, we rented a scooter from our accommodations and traveled south to the coastal town of Kemp, where we enjoyed some lunch, took some pictures with the White Lady, visited a local cave, and spent a couple of hours touring the La Plantation Pepper Farm, and finally finishing our day with an amazing smoothie on Secret Lake. It was an amazing day, and we highly recommend traveling through the countryside and seeing some of these amazing sights.
Got it. He actually told us we could try some fresh pepper. I'm gonna give it a shot.